Hello everyone and welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis, of course, and we start with the daily chart again. As you can see, we see here an impulse for Solana, which is in a green and one in orange, right? Now, we were expecting before, as we said, like after reaching the wave 4 of the green here, we were expecting like to go directly to the wave 5. However, we saw some weaknesses here and we couldn't reach higher and higher, and instead we saw some weakness signals on the micro level, and we are expecting to move down for a wave 2 before and finishing wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in that way we finish the wave 5 in the bigger impulse 4 wave for the impulse green in green color. Now, of course, inside this impulse we see a finish 1 in orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is exactly the reading of Solana. It's doing still really good. It's everything going on is very normal, and yeah, it's working well with the level and the fib level and the patterns that it do. It works perfectly based on Elliott Wave analysis, right? And if we go to the 1 hour chart, we can see that in this 1 hour chart, we already have inside the wave 1 of 5. Okay, so now this is wave 1 of bigger wave 5, right? And we see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has already done in a yellow. After that, we have seen also a flat A, B, and C, and we are still looking for the fib level to be hit at $161, where we can see in the wave C an impulse as well has been given over there. All right, we can consider this as 1, 2, and 3. Now, it's not necessary to be an impulse. It could be simply a contracting diagonal, right? Reaching exactly the fib level and finishing this flat A, B, C. Once we hit this, look at the fib levels. All right, the 1.618, which is common fib level for C, is in confluence also with the 0.38 fib level as a support, right? So, which is very common support for a retracement, right? So, what we expect after this, I'm still expecting a little bit higher maybe, and then go down, all right, hitting the 0.38 even, passing the 1.618, and retrace towards the upside with 3 waves towards the upside. Now, after that, we are looking, of course, for continuation towards the downside with another impulse or a diagonal, continuing a zigzag pattern for a wave 2 in orange, right? And that, make sure that we're gonna get an A, then a B, right? And a C in red, which are 3 wave corrective for a wave 2, bringing us to the common target of wave 2 between the 0.618 and the 0.78 fib levels, which are between $145 and $134 for Solana. So, of course, be patient here a little bit to see. Of course, here we have some structural support, but this is not really hard to be broken. All right, don't forget also, because it could be as well a target, a fib target, which is not so common, but I mean, it could be. It's very likely as well to hit the 1.38 fib level for a flat, right, for a wave C. Now, it could then, what that mean? If we have bottomed the wave C here, simply we have shifted the path to the upside, right? If that happened. However, I'm still expecting. I'm not gonna shift it right now before I get confirmation. However, this is your TP1, right? And this is your TP2, okay? For me, I would be yeah, if I'm trading, for my strategy is always TP1, right? So it's always full target here. I always want to take the good part of the trade, and I don't care of those parts, the bottom and the start, right? I'm interested always on this part of the trade. So therefore, it's a really good target for a profit, right? However, we might see further down. If we did, then okay, we are in a good path here. If not, if we see like a three-way rejection, it might even go down again. So that would keep us in the same scenario, unless we see higher movement touching again the top of the wave 1, right? So we get some kind of overlap. In that case, I would of course then say, okay, the impulse has been invalid, all right, because we have touched. It's not allowed in Elliott Wave to overlap wave 4 with wave 1. In that case, it could continue as diagonal, however, to be reconsidered as analysis. However, until that far, yeah, keep an eye on it, and we are still looking a little bit for downside, and then retrace again for wave B, and then toward the wave C again, finishing the wave 2 and moving towards the upside again for Solana, reaching around, let's see, the target of wave 5 almost. Yeah, so for wave 5 expectation, let's have some here. So if this is gonna be the wave 5, so expect almost here the 2, yeah, around 450, right? It's not an easy target, because with this, even with this minimum, wave 5, we're gonna reach even the double price of Solana, which is really, really good, right? We're talking here about 100% and more of profit. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's gonna maybe double in price, so that is gonna be crazy for Solana. Even, yeah, more than double. So that is pretty good. Now I just want to check also one more thing. Did we got an extended wave 3? If we take the fib level here, yeah, I think so. Yeah, definitely. So when we see an what I mean with an extended wave 3 is that when we reach over the 2.61 fib level, right, for an impulse, here we go. As you can see, this impulse in green has already passed the 2.618 here, even without any significant rejection. That's insane, all right? This is good, very good signal for Solana, actually. And when this happens, all right, when this happens, expect a wave 5 to be equal to wave 1, all right? Because normally, okay, we expect that wave 5 might goes higher a little bit, but when we get like an extended wave 3, all right, wave 3 here, and I think this is a fib level of, oh, it's so much higher. Okay, it's even much higher than a 4 fib level. That's really good for Solana, all right? Nice. I think Solana is taking lead in the altcoins, guys. So yeah, keep it in, keep watching it. And inside the 1 hour, one more thing I would like to, I would like to talk about is the high volume here, right? So what I'm expecting here, because we see a downtrend with a very high volume here. Okay, so that means this is a wave 3. Okay. That make sure that this is the wave 3. Let me just put the bullish scenario again here. Yeah, so actually we need to label this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and let's put it into micros and in red. So yeah, so that volume, high volume here is a significant volume, which claiming this is the end of the wave 3, and we are still looking for a wave 5. The wave 5 should also have a volume, but it should be lower than the wave 3 volume. So yeah, this is exactly perfect indicator here that the impulse is not finished yet. All right. Right, so that was it for Solana. I hope that you like it, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for this channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.